Welcome. Today we are looking at question and answers on colonial administration. Question 1. List and explain 4 systems of colonial administration used by European powers in Africa. 2a. Explain why the British used indirect rule in Nigeria. 2b. Why did indirect rule fail in southern Nigeria? 3a. Describe how indirect rule was applied in northern Nigeria. B. What were the effects of indirect rule? Question 4a. Why did the British adopt direct rule in Zimbabwe? B. Discuss the effects of British direct rule in Zimbabwe. Question 5a. Explain why the French adopted assimilation as a policy of administration. B. List the characteristics of assimilation. C. Describe the structure of the French administration. Question 6a. Give reasons why assimilation succeeded in Senegal. B. What led to the failure of assimilation in French West Africa? Question 7a. What were the consequences of assimilation on the Africans in Senegal? B. Compare and contrast the British and French forms of administration in Africa. 1. 4 systems of colonial administration used by European powers in Africa. These were indirect rule, direct rule, assimilation, and association. Indirect rule was a British policy of administration in which the African traditional chiefs were allowed to rule their people with instructions from the British officials. Direct rule was a system of administration where indigenous political and administrative institutions and leaders were replaced with European systems. The British officials ruled directly without intermediaries. Assimilation refers to a system of administration in which the Africans were to be similar to the French in terms of their culture and the aspects of life. Association implied partnership. The French government was to respect the culture of people in a colony and allow them to develop independently rather than force them to adapt the French culture and civilization. 2a. Why the British used indirect rule in Nigeria. The British did not have enough manpower to administer the vast territory. The educated elites felt they were left out in the administration of their country and opposed the illiterate chiefs appointed by the British. Southern Nigeria lacked linguistic unity, making it difficult to administer. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.